Understanding gift voucher expiry. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of shopping and gifts, specifically focusing on the term gift voucher expiry. This might seem straightforward, but there's a lot to unpack to fully understand its implications, especially when you're learning English. Let's explore this concept together and ensure you can use it confidently in your conversations. A gift voucher is essentially a prepaid token or certificate. Think of it as a special type of coupon that you can use to buy goods or services, usually at a particular store or business. It's a popular gift choice because it allows the recipient to choose what they truly want. The key points about a gift voucher are that it has a monetary value and is often restricted to use at specific locations or for certain products. Now, let's talk about expiry dates. An expiry date is a deadline. For gift vouchers, it's the last day you can use it. After this date, the voucher becomes invalid, meaning you can no longer use it to make purchases. This concept is crucial because it highlights the temporary nature of gift vouchers. Knowing the expiry date is important to ensure you don't miss out on using your voucher. Combining these concepts, gift voucher expiry refers to the specific date when the gift voucher loses its validity. It's a critical piece of information because 1. It affects the value. Once expired, a voucher is worth nothing. 2. Planning purchases. Knowing the expiry helps you plan when to use it, so you don't waste the opportunity. 3. Gift consideration. If you're giving a voucher, consider the expiry date to ensure the recipient has enough time to use it. Understanding the expiry of a gift voucher helps in maximizing its benefits and avoiding disappointment. We hope this video has shed light on the concept of gift voucher expiry. Remember, when you receive or give a gift voucher, always check its expiry date to make the most of it. Thank you for watching, and we hope this has been helpful in your journey of learning English. Stay tuned for more insightful videos, and don't forget to use your gift vouchers wisely.